What is up, guys? Back with another video. We're at this golf course right now, headed to the whip right now. It's right behind this truck right here. We're gonna see the girl. There it is. Man, this golf course super lit up at night too. It's super nice too. I need to get my battery fixed and my key, because right now I gotta unlock the car with, you know, some foo-foo shit. But hey, we back in the whip. Let's get to this night drive, boys and girls. I don't know where we headed. I just know we going somewhere. Honestly, the golf course at night really be a vibe though. If any of you guys golf, comment down below. I mean, golfing, it's not for, a lot of people don't golf, but golfing has its area, you know what I'm saying, of just being somewhere just to chill, cool vibes. Cool little vibes. Where should we go? Where should we go? We should probably we'll go this way. We'll go down this way. Small dealerships over here. See what they got on the lot. Let's see what they got. Cool little vibes over here. Sport mode's not on and traction control's not off. Oh, there's a nice GT3 right there. See? I saw it at the last second. There's a nice GT3 over there. Super nice GT3, and like that Miami blue color. It was looking nice. She was looking nice. Brand new Hummer right here. What you guys think about those? Fully electric, I don't know. They look, if they would have had a motor in it, it would have been a little better, but they put an electric motor in there. Fully electric, I don't know how I feel about it. There was a little prelude right there. We mobbing. That freaking Camry had all the lights on it. I was wondering why that shit was so bright. Lexus dealership. Gotta be smooth. We'll go down this way. We'll go down this way. I don't want to be. Radar's going stupid. Gotta be smooth. Damn. You can't get, I promise you, the single turbo sounds do not get old. I don't know if they get old on camera, but man, in person, man, I promise you guys, this shit doesn't get old. It's the perfect audio track. Honestly, this with a little movie in the background, shit. Uh-oh. I don't know, guys. We ain't in the best of the neighborhoods over here. We ain't in the best of the neighborhoods, but we passing through. We passing through. Nothing too slight, just passing through. Just passing through. It's 80, it was actually 90, but it's actually, the temperature's dropping a little bit, guys. But when I first started driving earlier tonight, it was still 90, and it's completely dark out. Like, that's kind of crazy. It's still 86, and it feels hotter than that. Like, it feels super, super, like, muggy outside. I don't know. Someone in the road. What the hell? Oh, fat pothole. I was supposed to get over, and this girl completely just... I needed to get over. I don't know why she freaking was taking long to get over, man. Hold on, we gonna take that, bend that corner. Bend that corner. We got traction control off. Oh, she trying to speed. Oh, she tried to speed. Doing, damn. Take a little back street. Whoa, 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 whoa. Take the side streets. This area right here. Sheesh. Damn. Oh man. Y'all hear them? Y'all hear it, y'all hear it. Get over. You might have to do that, brother, sir. You hear that big single turbo behind you? I feel you, brother. I feel you. You might have to get over. You hear that big single turbo sneezing and shit. Might have to get over on them, you know? Downshift. Hold on. Sheesh. Fourth gear, third gear. Oh my gosh. It won't get old. It won't get old. Go through the little side streets. Side street, downshift. See. Can't beat the single turbo, man. What else can compare to this? Let me, honestly, I'm curious to know, like, in the ballpark of a 335, what else could you get for the bang, you know, bang for buck that compares to this? If there's anything that compares to this, you guys gotta let me know in the comments down below. I don't think there's anything that compares to this on the market that is in the 335 realm. Let's just say at the E90X level, Like, what else can compare to this for, you know, for how much you put into it, modification wise, like making this much power? Like, I'm curious to know if you guys have another, if there's another car that can compare to this. I don't think there really is anything, honestly. Bang for buck, like honestly, you can get a 335 for, you can get a 335 for less than $5,000, and then what, you do the normal maintenance stuff, spend a couple extra $1,000 on the maintenance stuff, right? So let's just say you get it up and you get the car, all the maintenance stuff done for around $8,000. Let's just say under 10,000, and then you slap a big single turbo kit on it, and what the heck? Slap a big single turbo kit on it, and you're making what, 600, 700 horsepower? Come on, come on. I don't know what else to compare it to. This is just on another level. It's in a different class by itself, honestly. That's why when before I bought this car, I made sure, is this a car that I know I can build from? That's all you guys got to remember when you're buying a car. Is this a car is this like a stepping stone to get something else, or is this a car you might have for a little bit and you're gonna have to, you know, to work with it for a little bit? So when I got this car, I knew I was gonna want to do stuff later on. So I made sure I got something that I could build off of, because I mean, I got this car in 2018, and hey, there was moments right before I went single turbo where I was like, you know what, should I get something else? And then I thought back to myself, I said, you know what, I did tell myself that this is a car I can build off of, and as soon as I went single turbo, it was like a brand new car again. It was like a brand new car again once I went single turbo. So it's like, if you get tired of the car, it's like there's new ways to revamp it. Like, I still don't have port injection, so if I want to revamp it again, make it feel like a new car, I could do a port injection. I could do a port injection. So there's really nothing that I think I'm in the right lane. I don't know if I could turn left on a red. Can I turn left on a red? I don't know. But super nice night out tonight, nonetheless. It's a nice night out tonight. We're going to enjoy it to its fullest. Oh, we downtown with it. Sounds echoing off the whizzles. Shit. Damn. It be loud down here. Sound be echoing like a mug. That shit really be happening too. That shit really be happening. Honestly, oh man, I just went down. I just downshifted like 3 gears. What the? I did not mean to down. I was in 3rd gear, went all the way down to 1st. Oh, there's a highway patrol. There's a highway patrol. Oh, oh. Guys, I'm so glad I didn't do nothing stupid. Oh my gosh. That's why you gotta be smooth, man. That's what I be trying to tell y'all, man. You got, like, I could have easily just went crazy, but I gotta be so smooth with it. I gotta be so smooth with it. I'll be trying to tell y'all. As oh my gosh, guys, like, I'm telling y'all, I'll be wanting to show off for the video, but shit, guys, I gotta know where I'm at. I gotta know where I'm at, cause shit, they be lurking, man. They be lurking. That's crazy. They be lurking, boys. I'm trying to keep my, you know what I'm saying? Trying to keep the, gotta have a little of that separation. Yeah, we're gonna have to get off that same Blizzard. We're gonna have to get off that same Blizzard. Cause that's crazy. That's literally crazy. I might even go Skrizate. I might even go Skrizate. Where do we go? We could take a lizard. I think we can go this way now. We can go this way now. We just gotta be chill. We can go this way. We gotta be chill though. Chill. Yeah, it's a real dry night tonight, guys. I know y'all probably want to see some more. I ain't gonna lie, that's kind of cool. Little lights up in the wheel well. But yeah, I know what y'all probably want to see, but man, y'all seen that boy, man. Y'all seen that boy. Oh man, he passed right up on the side of me too, man. It would have, that could have easily went a totally different way. I could have easily went a totally different way. Thank God. Thank God he kept it pushing. Hey, a boy kept it pushing. That's what we, man, that was crazy. That was crazy. I did keep it chill though, but damn, like, just look at the car though. Like I said, that could have went a couple different ways. Let's just be honest. Let's just be honest.